Prospect Lofts condos are the premier Heritage Hill address.
Many of the original characteristics have been preserved of this beautiful historical church.
The finishes are high quality with tall ceilings, granite surfaces, and stainless steel kitchen appliances.
Each unit has a washer and dryer already in place, and there is a large rec room available to the owners.
Prospect Lofts has its own private parking lot, and each unit comes with a reserved space at no extra cost.
This is a spectacular property, and its beautiful brick exterior and lush landscaping blend in perfectly with the surrounding Heritage Hill homes.
Call for your private showing. The Prospect Lofts condos are a great place to live.
If you have questions about these condos or any others in the downtown Grand Rapids area, give me a call at 616-275-5938.